how to view total balance in Money Manager. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to view your total balance in the Money Manager app so you always know how much money you have across all your accounts. Let's get started. First, launch the Money Manager app on your phone. You will land on the main dashboard. At the top of the screen, you will see your total balance. As it's 0 right now, you will see your total balance right here. This is the combined amount from all your accounts, including the cash, bank accounts and cards. To see balances for individual accounts, tap the Accounts tab or icon right here. Tap on it. You will find a detailed list of each account and its current balance right here. If you want to make sure the balance is up to date, pull down on the screen to refresh your data like this. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find your total balance in Money Manager. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and tap the notification bell for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.